We'll guide you through how to change Blender value to 𝗟𝗹𝗞. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, tap Blender to open it, and wait for the program to finish loading. Once Blender is open, look carefully near the top of the interface and locate the small arrow position between the layout display area and the side panel. Move your mouse cursor toward that arrow so it is directly over the control. Then click the arrow to access the related settings and options. After clicking, you will notice that the current measurement value is still set to meters by default, which is the standard setting used when a new scene is created. Next, go to the side panel and focus on the available categories displayed there. From the side panel, navigate to the editor panel so you can access additional configuration settings. Inside the editor panel, find the scene section among the listed options. Move your mouse cursor to the scene section and position it over the correct entry. Tap on the scene section to open it and reveal the settings stored inside. Next, find the unit menu within the scene settings. When you locate the unit menu, click on it to open more options and display the available measurement controls. After the menu expands, locate the length option, which determines the type of measurement system used for the project. Press on the length option so Blender will show a list of available systems that can be selected. A group of different measurement choices will appear for you to choose from. Review the available options and then select the centimeter value from the list. Choosing centimeter changes the measurement system from the default meter-based setting to a centimeter-based setting, making it easier to work with projects that require smaller and more precise dimensions. Once the centimeter value has been selected, the unit settings are updated, and your scene is ready to use the new measurement scale for future modeling, editing, and design tasks throughout the project. This adjustment helps maintain consistency when entering dimensions, checking object sizes, creating assets for specific requirements, and ensuring measurements match expected real-world values during production work accurately every time.